Hello guys, Shubham here, back again in another video. So today we are going to review a brand new Android 12L ROM, also called as Android 12.1. Everyone knows the name of this ROM. The ROM is from the crDROID community. The ROM is of version 8.4, that is crDROID version 8.4 running on Android 12L. So without any further ado, let's get into this video. So now let's talk about the system information. So moving toward the setting, as you can see, this is of crDROID versions 8.4 running on Android 12L, pretty much obvious. Moving further in system settings, you will see all the settings as you can see in other ROMs, including Android 11. From here you will get all the crDROID OTA updates. As of now, no updates are available. Moving further in gestures, you will get all type of gesture navigation. So now let's talk about the crDROID customizations. So under the hood, crDROID offers all this type of customization. As everyone knows, crDROID is much famous for its customizations to offer the audience. So here we go, these are the status bar customizations, clock style customizations of its alignment, and all the other customizations you will ever get. Quick settings panel, where you will get all the customization like you get in Android 11 and other ROMs. You will also get a monitor engine for theming your device as per your choice. My preference is not of this type, so I have off the monitor engine. Going further, you will get this type of different interface in navbar style customization, font style customization, and also signal icon type and some of the Wi-Fi icon style. You can change the Wi-Fi icon style and all the other icons just like shown in this video. Talking about the other customization, about the status bar and this panel, then everything works fine, and these are the available tiles you can just pick. You can use them the way you want. crDROID has left no stones unturned in terms of customization, as the ROM is pretty much known for itself. So let's move further towards the gaming performance of this ROM. So in crDROID settings in miscellaneous, you can see this game space. Game space is something which have been dedicated given for the game mode and all the other settings regarding your gaming experience. You will see all these settings just like you see in game mode. So this is something special which is called as unlock higher FPS in game mode, and also from the tiles you can see this is the game mode available. Now let's see how is the gaming performance on this ROM. We will play Call of Duty Mobile. So let's get into it. So this is I am playing Call of Duty Mobile, and being honest, the performance is pretty good and stable. Talking about the interface they give in this ROM, then as you can see on the right hand side, this is something they give a gaming console icon where you will see FPS, screen recording optimization, and also you can go on YouTube Live. They call this as a gaming dashboard. On enabling FPS, you will see the FPS getting counted on the extreme right side on the top side. So this is something good to count the FPS you are getting. Also this is something where you will get all the other options. So this game space is something they have included in Android 12 and 12.1 ROMs, which looks pretty good. Also, as you can see, the notifications which you can see on my screen on the top side. So this is something good they have implemented, and overall the gaming performance is pretty much good and stable. No doubts in terms of gaming performance too. Now let's move towards the crucial point, that is battery performance. So talking about the battery performance, being pretty much honest, once you charge to the 100%, then this battery will last for about 8 to 9 hours of screen of time. No doubt on having a normal usage, this battery will go a day long, leaving you behind with 10 to 20% at the end of the day. The ROM uses the silver coal kernel, and in terms of battery, the battery performance is too much good. All the options such as thermal profiles and everything else is covered in this ROM, just like other previous ROMs you get. So yeah, the battery performance is pretty much good and you can rely for a full day once you charge it for 100% on a normal usage. Now let's move towards the Safetynetcheck bypass or a CTS bypass. So this is the Safetynetcheck application and you can see that the Safetynetcheck gets passed conveniently. This means that you can use all type of payment applications such as Paytm, Google Pay and all the applications of banking such as SBI, PayZapp and all the other applications. So rest assured you can use payment applications too. Now moving further towards the GCam compatibility. So talking about the stock camera you get in this ROM, then again this is something the common type of camera which you get in all the other ROMs since Android 10. So no more hopes in this camera as everyone knows. But not to worry, we got a backup of our Google camera. Talking about the Google camera, then Google camera works fine in this ROM. The camera APK and installation steps has been given by me in one of the video. I will mention that in the I button. This Google camera works perfectly fine. Talking about the video recording, then you will get all kinds of frame rates such right from 24 fps to 30 to 60 fps. So talking about the GCam compatibility, this ROM works perfectly fine when you install the GCam of your choice. Now let's talk about some numbers, which are AnTuTu Scores. So talking about the AnTuTu score, then the AnTuTu score lies between 3,31,000 plus. This score is pretty much good thanks to the Snapdragon 845 platform we get in Poco F1. Combining this along with all the other scores such as CPU, GPU, memory and also the battery performance, the score is pretty much nice as this is the score expected from the device and as Android versions get proceeded further. So many people need the AnTuTu score, for them this is the AnTuTu score. Also I forgot to mention, but you will also get face unlock in this ROM. I must say that the face unlock is not an IR face unlock but a normal face unlock you get in all the other normal phones. Maybe they will include the IR face unlock in further updates, but as of now they haven't included. So talking about this ROM, then the ROM is pretty much fine and good. If you want to use as a daily driver, then you must go with it. So that's it for this video guys. If you like this video, must like and also hit subscribe for this channel to get more such videos upcoming. Until then, peace out and see you again in the next one.